Hi, I am Ahmad Arsalan from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering Management and Research, and I am here to discuss something about methods of geodetic surveying. So, coming over the topic, what is geodetic surveying? So, basically, geodetic surveying is the method from where we can determine the precise position on the surface of Earth curvature, or we can say that a survey of a large land area in which corrections are made for the curvature of the Earth's surface. In this method, the Earth's surface is considered as a curved surface, and the line joining any two points is considered as curved line, and the triangle formed by any three points are considered as spherical, and the angle of triangle is considered as a spherical angle. And one thing about this this survey, this one is carried out over an area more than 250 kilometers. So coming upon the methods of geodetic surveying. So basically we are having four methods of geodetic surveying. The first one is astronomic positioning, triangulation, trilateration and traversing. So coming over astronomic positioning. So this one is the oldest positioning method. A point on the earth whose coordinates have been determined as a result of observation of celestial bodies. A point on earth is defined in the terms of astronomical latitude and longitude, and this one is the diagram for astronomic positioning. So triangulation is the most common type of geodetic survey. So basically, triangulation is the process of determining the location of a point by measuring only angles to it from known points at either end of a fixed baseline. The points can then be fixed as the third point of a triangle with one known side and two known angles. And the diagrams are the example of triangulation. Coming over trilateration. So this is a method of surveying in which the lengths of the sides of a triangle are measured usually by electronic means, and from this information angles are computed. Trilateration has become a common and preferred system due to the development of electronic distance measuring devices. In this, only lines are measured while all angles are computed. The field procedures for trilateration are like those for triangulation. So here given below is the diagram for trilateration. The next one and the last one is traversing. What is traverse? A traverse is a series of connected lines whose lengths and directions are to be measured, and the process of surveying to find such measurements is known as traversing. So generally for finding length or distance, chains are used, and to find the or measure the directions of the traverse line we use either compass or theodolite. And this one is a diagram for traversing. And that's it from my side. Thank you so much.